My name is Christian JC Dasa. Alpha. I have driver down. Keep well clear at slow speed. Bravo. I am taking in discharging, carrying dangerous goods. Originally used by the Royal Navy, especially for military explosive. Charlie. Affirmative. Delta. Keep clear of me. I am navigating with difficulty. Echo. I am altering my course of starboard. Foxtrot. I am disabled. Communicate with me. Golf. I require a pilot by finishing vessel near finishing ground. I am hauling net. India. Hotel. I have a pilot on board. India. I am altering my course of port. Juliet. I am on fire. I have dangerous cargo on board. Keep well clear of me or I'm linking dangerous cargo. Kilo. I wish to communicate with you. Lima. In harbor to ship in quarantine at sea. You should stop your vessel instantly. Mike. My vessel is stopped and making no way through the water. November. Negative. Oscar. Man overboard, often attached to the man overboard, pull on board with a sinister noise of semaphore flag. Papa. The Blue Peter in harbor. All persons should report on board as the vessel in about the process. To see in it may be used finishing vessel to means my net have comes past upon on obstruction. Cubit. My vessel is healthy and I request pratico. Romeo. Romeo? Sarah. I am operating astern propulsion. Tango. Keep clear of me. I'm engaged in pair rolling. Uniform. You are running into danger. Victor. I acquired assistance. Whiskey. I am card medical assistance. X-ray. Stop carrying out your intention and watch for my signals. Winky. Wanky. Winky winky. I'm dragging my anchor. Zulu. I acquired a tug by finishing vessel near finishing ground. I am shooting.